I know what you are feeling right now. It is not just a physical fatigue that a night of sleep can fix. It is an invisible weight and exhaustion of the soul that whispers you are alone, carrying the world on your shoulders. You wake up, and before you even open your eyes, your heart is already racing with the mental notifications of everything that could go wrong. But let me tell you a secret. This tightness in your chest is not your destiny. Imagine if you could, right now, release this burden in a safe place. There is a force, a real structure, operating inside you as you listen to me. By the end of this video, you will understand that your security does not depend on your bank account or your circumstances, but on a design that is already engraved in your own body. We live in the era of urgency. Jesus once got into a boat and fell asleep in the middle of a storm. The disciples, masters of the sea, were in a panic. They had the best resources of the time, but fear blinded them. Today, our storms are the notifications, the unmet goals, the fear of tomorrow. We act as if we are the captains of a boat we do not control. Jesus slept not out of indifference, but because he knew the structure of reality. He knew the sea obeys the one who created it. When you choose peace over the anxiety of pressure, you are not being negligent. You are in fact altering your blood chemistry. You are shifting from survival mode into governance mode. Modern science has discovered something fascinating. A protein called laminin. It is the glue of the human body. It is what holds your cells together, ensuring you do not disintegrate. Do you know what is most incredible? The structure of laminin is exactly the shape of a cross. While you worry if you will have the strength for tomorrow, thousands of microscopic crosses are sustaining every tissue of yours right now. This is not a poetic coincidence. It is the biology of trust. If the Creator is in the very structure of your cells right now, holding every part of you, why do you think He would leave you helpless before a problem of this world? Believing in the impossible is not a vague positive thought. It is a biological decision to trust the architect who keeps you standing. Beyond biology, there is your monad, your divine spark, your deepest self connected to the source. It sustains your destiny. When you fall into despair, you generate noise and block resources from reaching you. But when you silence the noise and decide to trust, you are issuing a command to your monad to organize the necessary resources in the third dimension. Peace is the frequency where doors open. Anxiety is a chemical blockage. Trust is a flow of miracles. Imagine if you could rest here, knowing that the command has already been given, and that the spiritual universe is working in your favor, while you simply breathe. This journey toward unshakable peace is not something you walk alone. It is a path of constant learning. If this understanding of biology and faith touched your heart, I invite you to join us. Subscribing to this channel and sharing this message is not just a digital act, it is a tool for you and for others seeking real relief. It is deciding daily that hope is not a passive weight, but the active decision of someone who knows the strength they carry. Shall we walk together? Your body is a temple of order, not chaos. Think about laminin, the cell adhesion molecule that literally holds the human structure together. It is cross-shaped, a biological signature that God is within the very fabric of your cells right now. If He is holding your physical structure together at this microscopic level, why do you fear the challenges of the external world? Believing in the impossible is not vague positive thinking. It is a biological decision. When you choose peace over the anxiety of expectations, you are actively altering your blood chemistry. You are issuing a command to your monad, your divine spark, to organize the necessary resources in the 3D realm. Trust is a physiological state. By choosing it, you align your biology with your destiny. You are never helpless. You are structurally supported by the divine.